So in this video, we're going to go through what you're going to need to be able to start from 1996 to 2005 Ford vehicles that are having an issue with the PAT system. So I purchased this Mustang. It was non-running. It did come with a key, but it just cranked no start. So that's one of the issues that you might have, is a crank no start condition. The other issue is if you have the anti-theft light that's flashing on, chances are you're going to need a PAT system reflash, or you're going to need a PAT system bypass to be able to get into it. So in this video, we're going to discuss PAT system bypassing and PAT system reflashing. So this vehicle didn't start. I did all the basic starting check, which was adding a battery to it and checking for any kind of spark. I had no spark and no fuel pump and the anti-theft light going on. So that gave me a big hint. So the next thing I did was head online and see what I could find out. Heading online, I was a little bit confused at first. I did a bunch of research about this particular make and model, and a lot of people were saying that one of the problems that it could be is going to be your fuel pump. So I did as much research as I can, and I had to check if the fuel pump was actually pumping or did it work. And to do that, I used a power probe. So how I figured it out, I went down here. I'm gonna track your wires. You have 4 wires here, you have 4 wires here. So these are the ones that are going to tell you the power to ground. This black one right here is the ground one. And this red one right here was the power one. So what you're going to do is use that power probe and go from put the power probe on the black and the ground on the inside of here. So let me show you that. Open this up, and you can see. You see in there? So the one you want is this black one. This one right here in the corner. The lower corner right there. And the red one at the diagonal corner right there. So then you match it up with this one. You do that black one in the right corner and then one in the lower hand, left corner. Put the power probe to it and then give it some juice and you should hear the fuel pump come on. So this is what I need to be able to start the Mustang. If you have the same problem, this is what you're going to be able to need. So the plan I have with the Mustang, I did want a little performance. So I got this SCT tuner. This tuner came locked. It was married to a vehicle. When you get one, make sure it's unmarried. If you don't do it, this thing is $250 to unlock if you have a married vehicle. So if you see them and it says it's married, that thing ain't worth anything. So don't even bother to pay for one that is married to a vehicle. Is going to be useless, because to unlock it from the SCT is going to be $250 as of this posting. The other option you have is you could get a Ford PCM. I got this one for mine. I don't know if you can see that. The FA12A 650 VC. This one plugged right in and it let the vehicle fire, start up, do whatever. Oh no. This one will not allow your vehicle to fire, and you still are going to need to call a tuner. You may be able to purchase these already with the PATs unlocked, but because the expense of getting this PCM plus getting it unlocked basically equal this, I chose this route. All right, so I got my SCT tuner, full cable. One thing I want to show you guys is for you to install the SCT tuner back here inside that little port. You're gonna have to get the proper USB. It's gonna be one of these ones right here. It's one of the smaller ones, but there's one hidden thing that you're gonna need to know about it. There are different type of USB connectors. So if you have a USB connector right here and it's white, that one ain't gonna work. You're gonna need a USB with the black. I think this is a USB 2.0, or the black ones, and then a USB 3.0, or the blue ones. The main reason why is these are known as transfer cables. And these ones right here, they're just known as charge cables. So if you try to connect this to your computer, if you connect the black one to the computer, it's going to be able to transfer data. Whereas the white one is just a charger cable. It'll power it on, but you won't be able to actually update the tune. All right, thank you. Next, you want to go down here to the device update. It's going to ask you this. Say yeah. Now, if you haven't got that screen, you'll get a installer, like a wizard, which will walk you through to download it. You need to get up to this screen right here. Now, once you're there, you want to go to load custom tune file. I'm just going to start identifying a device. Once you find here, you're going to select your custom tune. Right here. So then you're gonna go here, download, right here. Then this custom tune complete, and run down with the last one. Race. It's all done there. All right, catch me a second. We're gonna head back outside. All right, so then we got the street tune. Looks good. So, going to approve. That's fine. All right, turn the key off, turn it back on. Let's go! And there it is, starts up, patch deleted.